Okay.
No, thank you.
Okay, I've just.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Working in Memphis today. Let's see how this route goes. Hey, what's going on? How you doing today? So you actually can order them on the too, okay? I'll be back in here, okay?
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, how may I help you?
All right, get excited, man. Shop. You know, I sell things, and I was just stopping in there to show you what we had real quick.
Oh, I don't have any money, honey. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I was just seeing you sitting right here. I was just making sure, all right?
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I normally buy stuff, but I just don't have any money today. What kind of stuff you sell?
All type of miscellaneous stuff that you can use, but you don't actually need it.
Okay.
And you have a good one.
You too now.
What's going on?
I ain't doing all right. What about yourself?
I'm good, man.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay. Y'all have a good one, all right? All right. Everybody not go by. You just got to find the buyers. Hey, what's going on, man? How y'all doing? All right. Appreciate you guys. Y'all be easy, man. Hey, how you doing? Hey, so yes, we was stopping in. We was in the area doing some stuff, 50 to 80% off. Just wanted to show you what we had today real quick.
No, no, thank you.
Not today?
No, thank you.
Okay, I'm just making sure to get. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on, man? All right, today. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm just stopping in and showing everybody what I got. I was just in the barber shop. Yeah, and I just want to show you real quick, girl. I'm gonna be real quick. Cash, Apple Pay, Chime, Zelle, however you want to do it.
Cords to these.
No, this one just got the HDMI booth. This the new one. You ain't got to worry about the cords.
Okay, so what's all on here? How much you want for these?
I do them for 40. They got them in the mall for 60.
Yeah, 'cause my baby.
I sure just finished her cutting me.
Thank you, sweetie.
All right, One of these.
Come on, bring it.
Hey, babe, how y'all doing?
I know you ready.
Well,
I can't. It's the wrong week. It's the wrong week.
yeah, next week is payday.
Oh, yes, no, yes, no. You never know. You just got to keep it moving. How y'all doing? Great, get inside. Ma'am,
Yes, okay, next time, okay?
have your money ready next time. What's going on, Mike? You all right today?
Thank you. How you doing, young lady?
How you doing? See y'all later. I got y'all. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm showing you. I know he don't want to know. What about you, my man? You good today? All right. You know I always just stop in and check with you guys.
What you got?
6-piece knife set.
I don't cook no more.
You don't cook no more? I'm glad you ain't my girl.
I ain't no good.
I mean, my lady, my old lady. You know I'm at. Good one, all right?
Y'all stay blessed, okay?
All righty. Memphis is always a hit and miss. Some people buy right away, some people don't. You just got to keep it moving. All right, what's going on? How you doing, Doctor? Hey, I'm back.
We have to now.
Yeah, check that out. Take a look at what I got before I leave. You want to take a look at what I had before I leave real quick? I got some good deals, 50 to 80% off. You get the broke lady special. I'll just show them to you though, okay? Yeah, you have a good one, all right? That's how Memphis go. What's going on, man? All right, everything. The price is right today, baby.
Price is right. And the party's got a bench.
25, that's it. And they FaceTime walkie-talkie. They can FaceTime on them. Yeah.
All right,
Appreciate you.
oh, my bad.
That's Memphis for today. Some bought, some didn't, but that's how the route goes.